Victoria.
And I'm Roddy. And we'd like to wish you from Morristown TV Today a happy holidays.
We'd like to make it.
Hi, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Roddy with Morristown TV Today. We'd like to wish your family
Happy holidays.
Where you going? Get in this program.
Hi, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Roddy. And from our family here at Morristown TV Today, we'd like to wish you
Happy holidays.
Oh, you looked away. Yeah. No, you got it. That was perfect.
Hi, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Roddy. We'd like to wish your family happy holidays.
Oh, you jumped the gun. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Roddy. And you. Oh.
And you've been blooped.
I've been blooped. Okay, go. Got it. Go, Mr. Run with it. I'm ready.
That's good. That's good. Victoria, move in, move in, move in.
That's a blooper, Phil.
Bloopers.